Do you know you can make money online by selling AI puzzles? Lots of Etsy shops have made a success of selling just puzzles. This area isn't too competitive yet, which means you have a solid chance to stand out and grow your business. So if you do things the right way, you might be able to make as much as $300,000 a year. I went on Etsy and searched for jigsaw puzzles and noticed that this type of business stands out from others due to low competition. Unlike more popular categories such as shirts with 14 million, jewelry with 26 million, and gifts with 43 million. To further understand the market demand, I checked Google Trends for jigsaw puzzles. The results showed a steady daily interest, indicating a substantial number of potential customers interested in purchasing these products. I'm about to guide you on how to start selling puzzles using free AI tools. So make sure you stick around for the whole video, and let's get started. The first thing you need is attractive and stylish designs that customers are looking for, so those designs can capture their interest. The second thing you need is an excellent manufacturer who will convert these designs into puzzles. It's important to keep in mind that having a reliable manufacturer to supply top-notch puzzles is key. In the end, customer feedback is essential to grow your business. How to create AI designs? To design puzzles with AI, you'll need to start by selecting an AI tool. A lot of folks suggest using Midjourney. It's a top-notch tool that lets you create all sorts of AI art pretty easily. The reason I'm hesitant to suggest Midjourney is due to its subscription cost. However, remember I mentioned earlier that I'll let you in on a free AI tool? I have two amazing options that you can use to generate the same kind of AI art that you could create on Midjourney. I'm sure whatever designs I will teach you to create in those free tools will help you make great sales. First free AI tool. The first free AI tool is Muse AI. Go to Muse AI and click on the bar. Now I'm going to type a text to generate the design. Type a city with Halloween vibes and Halloween decorations. Then click Generate. As you can see, this tool instantly generated a beautiful image of a city decorated with Halloween celebrations. To make the image more appealing, go to the Choose Model option on the left, where you can find various models. I recommend picking 3D animation because it makes images and visuals look better. So I'm going to pick 3D animation, then press Generate. You can see how stunning the image looks like. Click Download to get it as your puzzle design. This is how you can create designs on Muse AI. Second free AI tool. The second free tool I would recommend to you is Fusion Art AI. It's a much more advanced AI tool that can generate captivating images. Simply go to Fusion Art and click on Generate Free now. To generate the image, you will be given some options on the left. To start, turn off the fill container option. Then select 1:1 as the aspect ratio and keep the weight to 0. Now, only a prompt is left to create the image. Type a city with Halloween decorations, covered in snow weather, Halloween vibes, sharp focus, highly detailed cinematic lighting, studio quality, smooth render, Unreal Engine 5 rendered, Octane rendered. Finally, click Generate. Can you believe this top-notch image was created by a free AI tool? I am really amazed by how stunning it turned out. To make it more attractive, go to the options on the left. Choose a pattern that you like the most. Then switch on the fill container option. Increase the weight to 1 and click Generate. This is how easily this advanced free AI tool works. The image is eye-catching and will definitely grab your customers' attention. You can repeat the process to make more images for your puzzle business. Once your puzzle designs are good to go, the next move is to transform these designs into actual puzzles. To make this happen, you'll need to link your shop to a manufacturer. Let me recommend a top-notch print-on-demand manufacturer who can take care of everything for you. I can confidently recommend Printify for all your print-on-demand needs. They don't just create top-notch puzzles, they even take care of the packaging and shipping to customers. So, no more wasting time on packaging and shipping. All you need to do is get people to visit your store and place orders. Printify takes care of everything else for you. How to connect Printify with your store? Visit Printify. Once there, you will see an option in the top right corner that says Sign Up. Just click it and fill in your details to get your account active. When your account is created, just connect your store with it. I suggest you choose Etsy as your store, which has an automatic fulfillment option. Once your Etsy store is connected with Printify, go to the search bar and type puzzle. You're going to find you've got a ton of options to choose from. Jigsaw puzzles are a big hit, and that's where I'm leaning. You'll find that they come in a range of different puzzle counts. Click on it and upload the designs you created on the free AI website. Once you've uploaded your design, ensure your design sits right in the middle. Then, click Preview to check how this design would look on a puzzle. Look how amazing your puzzle looks. How to do Etsy listing and search optimization. The final step involves enhancing Etsy's product listings. If these listings rank well, they're likely to catch the eye of customers and potentially lead to many successful sales. For this, go to Etsy and type puzzle on the search bar. There'll be quite a load of options to pick from, but don't sweat. Just look out for one that naturally comes up and is somewhat like what you're aiming for. Go ahead and click on it, taking note of its title. Titles on Etsy tend to be big, but the most important keywords usually pop up in the first 4 words. It's best to keep these keywords in and check other listings that are organically ranked. After you've checked out a bunch of keywords in top-ranking listings, feel free to make your listing. Add a similar title, incorporating some of the keywords you found on other listings. Make sure the title best describes your product. Then, adding tags that could rank your listing higher is very important. Now let's go back to those listings you looked at earlier. Just scroll down until you see the tags. You can then simply add those tags to your listing. Finally, your listing is complete and ready to run. This is how you can sell AI puzzles on Etsy using free AI tools. I shared the whole process with you so you can take advantage of this low competitive business and start making money. I really hope you enjoyed our journey today into making money from the comfort of your home. Now don't miss out. There's a video right here on your screen, specially picked for you. It's packed with fresh, effective ideas for multiplying your online income. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Click and see for yourself.